Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome on into today's video. I'm so excited to be showing you guys the brand new Black Moxy Cosmetics Trippy Shroom palette. I'm going to do some up close, in-depth swatches for you guys, as well as pop in my video of both of these looks that I did create using the palette. So here is our color story. I think it is quite unique. And I love, and hopefully you'll see that through me showcasing with the swatches, I love that there's pretty much like little duos in here. Like these two shades go beautifully together. The pink with this one right here that has a pink shift go well together. So I like that you could kind of mix and match and play with this, but I really do think that there are some very easy, very beginner friendly looks in here. This was gifted, and I do have a non-affiliated code, HONESTBEAUTY15, for 15% off. All the deets and everything are going to be linked down below, and this was gifted, so thank you to Black Moxy Cosmetics. So I'm going to swatch out all of the mattes for y'all, and then we're going to pay some close attention to the shimmer shades here. You guys know I really try my best to showcase duo and multi-chrome shadows, hopefully in the best light for you guys, so you can really see the intensity, the shifts, whether or not they have sparkle, so on and so forth. I'm gonna note very quickly, you will get some fallout, so I absolutely recommend doing your eyes first, just noting that. And then the green matte, as well as the kind of hot orange matte, they feel slightly drier than the other mattes do. I did use the green over here. I had no issues with it. And then with the deep blue here that I used on this side, it is pressed in not as hard. So you're going to get a little bit of fallout over here. And I feel like this is a shadow that you want to kind of put down and then kind of leave it alone a little bit. So I will go into the matte shades first. This shade right here, this kind of caramelly, yummy, like teddy bear type of brown. It is my absolute favorite type of brown. You guys know that I like, you know, mustardy browns, golden browns, caramelly shades. I think it's so freaking incredibly beautiful. And then, of course, we have a green in here, and y'all know my love for greens as well. So here are the matte shades. And then we're going to dive into the shimmer formula. Most of these feel a little bit kind of softer pressed, kind of have more of a kind of squishy putty type formula. I'll get a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the first shimmer. And I'm seeing a flip of like green with gold, kind of peachiness, a fiery pink as well. Like the sparkle in here is absolutely incredible. That is what is on my inner corner over here. So pretty, like so incredibly beautiful. Next up is the beautiful green shifty shade you're seeing on this side. And it is freaking stunning. Like you can see a very, very bright, bright green. This one is a little bit more smooth in the pan. And in here, I'm seeing like blue into a purple, into that beautiful green. It is so freaking beautiful, you guys. Next up, we have this shade right here. Again, very like soft and kind of squishy in the pan. And this is the one that I have on my inner corner on this eye. And I'm not seeing a whole lot of a shift in here. I'm seeing like a little bit of like a pinkiness with a lot of sparkle and in that beautiful soft blue. But it is incredibly sparkly, super duper impactful. Like this is absolutely stunning. This is another one, I feel like, especially having like the kind of pinky shift and the blue in it, it goes beautifully with the blues, it goes beautifully with the hot pink. Like I feel like it's a really well curated palette. Like it's super, super beautiful. I love that I can take one matte and pop on a shimmer, and it is a look. Next up is this shade right here, and this one again is that soft, like kind of more smushy type texture. I just say to kind of be careful, don't go like straight in. This one feels a little bit more wet, if you will, a little bit more emollient. And in this one, I'm seeing a very, very strong, like hot pink shift. Tons of sparkle, that beautiful translucent base, which I love these types of shades, you guys know. Put any color matte all over, then put this right on top. It can also be used as a highlighter. And then I'm seeing an incredibly strong shift of like goldy, orangey. It's stunning. And hopefully you can see, it's very translucent, but you can see when I picked it up, you can kind of see that it's puttyish. And again, this is going to go beautifully with the pink matte. It's going to go great with the like orangey red matte. I think it's so stunning, you guys. I think she did a great job with this. She is also here in North Carolina, so hopefully I will actually get to meet her one day. That would be awesome. I went ahead and popped that one on my cheeks to kind of show you guys just how pretty and how sparkly that is. And you can very, very visibly see like the peachy pinkiness, the gold, the orange. It's so stunning. I think especially for summertime, and especially if you have like medium tan, dark skin. Oh my goodness. And then last up is the shade that I have on the outer part of this look. And it is also very, very sparkly. Like this one is so incredibly beautiful. And in this one, I'm seeing like blue, an icy white, a teal, a lilac, incredibly beautiful. I think the shade selection here was done beautifully. So hopefully those swatches are helpful to you guys in making the decision to purchase the palette or not. Again, this was gifted and I'm so happy to have it. I love this. You will definitely be seeing more looks coming up with this. I love the packaging. I love the theming. She's incredibly kind. Thank you again for gifting Black Moxy Cosmetics. And of course, I'll pop up both the looks that I created with the palette. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you'll consider subscribing and join my beauty family. Thank you so much to my beautiful channel members. Thank you to you beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.
you.